Hello and welcome to my dryer vent guy. I am a certified dryer vent cleaner in Glenville, New York, which is just north of Albany. I've been cleaning, installing, and repairing dryer vents for 12 years now, and I wanted to go over a few things regarding animal nesting in your dryer vent. Sometimes a dryer vent is very close to the ground, and an animal, chipmunks, mice, whatever, can go in and out and make nests. Sometimes the nests are up high, birds' nests. They will come back year after year and keep adding on to the nest, have their babies. So in the springtime during mating season, my phone rings off the hook to remove birds' nests from dryer vents. I wanted to show you a few pictures of things to do and not to do. This first picture is of a ground level nest. Um, they were able to get in and out very quickly, establish a nest. And how I know this was very quickly, the homeowner told me his dryer was 3 months old and that nest was not there 3 months ago. So you can just see, not only did they come through the vent, through the transition duct, they were actually inside of his dryer with all the nesting material that's in there. Here's a bird's nest that we pulled out of the side of someone's house. Look how big this thing is. It's massive. Here it's into a couple of different pieces laying on the ground, and the next shot you will see where it's laying on top of their air conditioner. Um, the sheer diameter of this dryer vent is 4 inches wide. This was all 4 inches and packed in there tight. You cannot believe how common this happens in the springtime. You need to walk outside, especially if you have a second story laundry in the spring, and actually look and see if you see any nesting material hanging out of your vent, or if you see the birds flying in and out. So this next one's going to be really crazy. This is 6 chipmunks that I pulled out that were actually living in the blower motor of the dryer. They had built a nest. Um, they were all in there at the same time, and the homeowner went to go turn the dryer on, and the blower motor just chewed them up. Immediately, they died instantly. Their blower motor would not spin. Dryer made a crazy noise, and they could smell a stench. They called me. We cleaned out the vent, took the whole dryer apart, pulled this whole family of chipmunks out. This was the craziest animal infestation that I have ever seen in 12 years. Some people will try to cover up their vent to keep the pests out. In theory, it's a good idea, but it doesn't work. This is a vent cover that was put on by a local pest control company that I found at a customer's. And their clothes were not drying because the lint could not get out. The screen that they put over it prohibited the lint from getting out of the dryer. The people's clothes wouldn't dry. Their dryer was overheating. They called me, cleaned it all out, and I put a proper vent cap on, which was animal proof. This next one, the homeowner tried themselves with a little window screening and duct tape. Admirable attempt, but again, um, you can't do this. Any type of screening is against building code, according to the IRC, International Residential Code, because the lint cannot get out. Some people will buy at the big box stores this type of vent cover, and you see there's a little screen on the bottom of the vent hood. Again, that fills up with lint. None of the moisture can get out. The lint backs up. Your clothes don't dry. Your dryer can overheat. These are against building code. If you do have a vent cap like this, pull the screen off. At a bare minimum, pull that screen off. This next one is a cage that, again, you can buy at one of the big box stores. You can put it over your vent. It fills up with lint, and again, you have no airflow whatsoever at that point. Yes, it keeps the birds out, but the lint doesn't come out. The condensation builds up into the vent line. These are, again, against building code. And this is another one that builders will sometimes put over the vent also to keep pests out. Again, totally against building code. This is a dryer wall vent. You cannot buy them in stores. You can only buy them from authorized installers like myself. Animal proof, allows the lint to flow out. When the dryer is running, it opens. When the dryer shuts off, it closes and it locks. Animals cannot get in. Birds cannot get in. Um, this is the best bet for your dryer vent. You can also use these on your bathroom vents too on the outside of the house. They will fit for your bathroom vents. So if you notice bird nesting on your bathroom vents, these can be installed there also. They come in three different colors: brown, white, and tan. They can be affixed to any application: brick, wood, vinyl siding, it doesn't matter. If you do have questions, if you have a problem with animal infestation in your dryer, give me a call. We can get it cleaned out and we can get a new vent cap on for you that will keep the pests out. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.